left side of our building, here to here. Here's the back top of it, and on over. So we have that and through here. Then our next building that we drew is here to here and over. And because it overlaps here, I'm only going to mark that part and that part and on over and through. Okay, so we see that, and now this building will only outline here to here to there. Come back over there and over, and now we have our three buildings, so we can see them a little bit better. And so maybe I'll do some rudimentary shading on them just for now so you can see them, but we'll jazz them up a little bit later. So we're going to pretend like we're going to make, actually not pretend, we're going to make our light source be from the top left. We're going to suspend our disbelief, and it's actually out here with where my hand is, shining down on the forms. Now I'm going to put the symbol of that over here, but it's actually out here and shining down. And so we have it. It's kind of like where I have the lights behind the camera. You can't see them, but they're shining on the paper to make it show up better. And so we'll make a little diffuse light source here. And I'll make it brighter in the middle. And so that's going to be shining down on our forms this way, shining down. So we all got that now. Okay, so that's good. So we all got the light source there. And so for you, since you're not working on colored paper, we'll go ahead and do this with just shading. So you can use your dark pencil or graphite to work a little bit of shading. And if you're using graphite, use like an HB. And so I'll do some hatching lines for now so you can see that. My whole point of this is to not get too much in detail for now. And I want to show you so you can see clearly the building. Some of you are going to be able to see it no problem. Others might be a little confused. And that's why I want to stop and do this. Later on I won't, because I want to push forward with it. Now I'm shading, as you noticed, we talked about earlier, I'm shading right, moving my pencil right to the vanishing point direction to give it more volume. So we got that. Okay, and let me give a little bit of light, put a little bit of light on it. So if the light source is here, high, up and through here, then it's going to illuminate the tops more fully, just for now. And so in your drawing, the top of your building might just be the white of the paper, and the side here you might put a little tone, always lighter than the tone of shadow for now. Okay, hopefully everybody can see that. This is important to see what we've done. We're going to add more detail to these later on, and I'll show you how to do that. I'll put a couple of this tighter lines in there to give it a little bit of a crisper look. Here and on through here a little bit, so you can see that. All right, so we have that. So those are 3 buildings so far. Okay. All right, so we want to push on now and get a little bit deeper with our buildings and our composition. We're going to continue to add more and more and more throughout here as we move on further. Okay.